Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're in the showroom. We wanted to talk about removing paint. This is a valve cover, and as you can see, it's got black paint, it's dirty, it's grody, so we're gonna do a half and half. I'm gonna do half in a dry blast cabinet and half in a wet blast cabinet. We're gonna use the same abrasive, which is 120 AO, which is aluminum oxide. Has a sharp edge to it. It's gonna give you the best of removing a coating and also prepping for coatings. So stay tuned and let's see how we turn out. So guys, we're back after doing this valve cover. We've done half of it in dry blast. We did the other half in wet blast. We used 120 AO. Wanted to bring to your attention that there are many different ways to remove coatings. Really just depends on what works best for you. Dry blast it can be very quick. Wet blast is a little bit slower because the water cushions the abrasive, but you don't have the heat warping and you don't have any of the damage to the surface. So if you need free sample testing, you want to talk about applications, we can help you anytime. Give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.